Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Tajweed 101. I am Hadeel Salman, and inshallah today we're going to make it short and sweet. We're just going to talk about Quran fun facts. And the Quran facts are basic facts that we as Muslims we need to know about our holy book. So the very first thing is, how many surahs are there in the Quran? There are 114 surahs in the Holy Quran. What about the juz? How many parts are there in the Quran? How many chapters? Yes, 30 juz are there in the Quran. How many hizb are there in the Quran? So you look at 30, you double that. Got it right. There are 60 hizb in the Quran. What about the ruba of the hizb? The quarter of a hizb. We have 240 quarters of hizb in the Quran. And what about the verses? How many verses do we have in the Quran? We have 6,236 verses in the Quran without the basmala included. And they would be 6,348 verses with the basmala included. By basmala we mean Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is another name for basmala. Like isti'adha, we would say A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. It's called isti'adha. What about the longest surah in the Quran? What is it? Yes, everybody knows that, right? It's Surat Al-Baqarah, right? And the shortest surah would be? Very simple, I guess. Yes, the shortest surah is Surat Al-Kawthar. And it has 3 verses. It consists of 3 verses. In Surat Al-Baqarah, though, the longest surah, it has 286 verses. Now, I mentioned earlier the hizb, the ruba, the juz. What are these terms and what do they mean? So let's take a look at how the surahs are divided in the Quran. So if I draw a circle like this, circle here, and I divided it into sections like these, 8 sections. We number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Each one section will be representing a ruba of the hizb, the quarter of a hizb. And every 4 will form a hizb. Every 4 quarters will form 1 hizb, and 1 hizb equals to 10 pages in the Quran. So if we look at those 8 quarters, they will form, so 4 from here, 4 from there, 10 pages and 10 pages. So that would be 20 pages. And each 10 pages are called a hizb. And a 1 quarter equals, it consists of 2 to 3 pages. The sign of the quarter or the ruba of the hizb that we see in the Quran is this sign of the flower here, drawn here. Each juz consists of 2 hizbs. I said hizbs. 2 hizb, right? And each hizb, as I said earlier, equals to 10 pages, which is 4 quarters. Each quarter equals to from 2 to 3 pages. So sometimes 2.5 pages, sometimes 3 pages. But in general, each quarter equals from 2, ranges from 2 to 3 pages. Each juz equals to 20 pages. Is it always the case that every juz equals to 20 pages? No, we have exceptions. Like juz 1, for example, in Surah Al-Baqarah. It consists of 21 pages. Juz 30th, which is Juz Amma, consists of 23 pages. So when we want to know how many pages are there in the Quran, we will multiply 30, which is the 30 juz, times the 20, pages of each juz, plus the extra 4 pages that we have from Juz al-Baqarah and Juz Amma. So the total pages would be 604 pages in the Uthmani Mus'haf. Alright, so that's basically what it is in this video. I just wanted to clarify the ruba' and the juz and the hizb and those basic information that we often see in the Quran. So coming to our question that we will not answer in this video as usual, what are the rules and etiquettes of handling the Holy Quran? This is a question we're going to take inshallah and answer in the next video, so tune in for more videos from Tajweed 101. I'm Hadeel Salman. جزاكم الله خيرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
يا من أجبت دعاء نوح فانتصر وحملته في فلكك المشحون، يا من أحال النار حول خليله روحا وريحانا بقولك كن.